I'm combining two amazing dishes into one. These baklava chicken wings will be some of the best sweet sticky wings you'll ever have and leave you wondering why you never had this before.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So firstly, let's get started on the marinade. Into a bowl, I add my spices. Firstly, I've got ground coriander or cilantro seeds. Next, I'm adding in ground cumin seeds along with some cinnamon. For some freshness, I zest 1 lemon, add crushed garlic, hit it with some sweet honey, and finally some olive oil to bind everything together. Mix it well until combined, and then I add my chicken wings. Now the wings I have here, I've cut the wing tips. They burn easily and have next to no meat on them, so just discard them. Move the wings around and get them coated all over in that sweet spice mix. Lay the wings out onto a baking tray lined with foil or baking paper and place them into a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. While the wings are cooking, get started on your nut crumb. Into a food processor or mortar and pestle, place in pistachio nuts, walnuts, and almonds. Break them down into small chunks and leave them aside. Now, bring the wings out of the oven and reduce the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit and place the nuts all over the sides of the wings. Place it back into the oven for a further 10 minutes or until the nuts have roasted slightly. I always serve this up family style where everyone can just get stuck into them. I don't let any of that mixture go to waste either. If it's on the tray, put it on the wings. You don't want to miss out of any of that sweet, spiced, mixed nuts over that tender, juicy chicken that just melts in your mouth with every single bite.